What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new AI agents video in which I wanted to talk about three different AI agent projects that I think have potential and that are also, right now I'm pre-recording this, so I'm not sure if the whole entire AI agent narrative is still booming as it has been in the last week, especially, but weeks already. But overall, it's a pretty difficult narrative. A lot of coins have just gone up only, and that has been amazing. But there are definitely some obstacles and some things that are a little bit less easy to do, right? And it's also quite difficult to actually spot these good projects when they're still at a market cap where they can actually rise quite a bit. So that's what I wanted to get into. All right, three projects. They are quite different projects as well, and there's different reasons why I like them. They are also from different market caps, so the potential is also a little bit different for all of them. But let's get right into it. So the first project that I wanted to talk about is Spore. Now I'll leave links down to all of these projects down in the description as well, so you will be able to find. I'll probably put all of the charts, the links down in the description. But the first one is Spore. As you can see, mind share is going up very nicely. Right now it's at around 1.32%, and what that makes it is it's I believe the AI swarm or AI agent swarm project with the highest mindshare, and that's why I wanted to include it. I think the chart also looks amazing. Usually when you revisit a local top like this, like I said, I'm pre-recording this a bit, so I'm not sure what the chart will look like later. But at a $66 million market cap, I think this is a decent pick to go higher. This is also from AI16Z, the platform. And it uses some of their technology, and that platform is doing very well, as you can see right here, gaining a lot of mindshare and overtook virtuals. So therefore, it's interesting. If you don't know what an AI swarm is it's basically AI agents created by AI agents, and all of them have their own tokens, etc. So look, I'm not going to tell you that this is going to be the next internet or something. I don't know. It looks interesting, but what do I know? And they obviously are trained to make it look interesting. What I know is that this is the biggest AI swarm. AI agents are still very hyped up. I think AI swarms are an interesting concept, at least within AI agents. I think the chart looks good. I think the market cap is, well, justifiable is a big word, but compared to other AI agents, I think it's justifiable. So therefore, I do think you need to keep an eye on it, and definitely, and I will be watching how this swarm thing goes, because basically what's going on is you have these different AIs through Spore, and they make these new AI agents, and then it's basically like human evolution. Creating these better and better AI agents that are also launching their own tokens. Very interesting. But overall, that's well, I'm not sure if they actually all have their own tokens. I do think so. Yeah, that's true. Interesting project. Links will be down in the description. Now let's go and get on to the second one, and that's Freysa.ai. This is it. How it is very simply stated is that it's the world's first evolving AI. Now, the main reason why I think this is an interesting coin, because the market cap, look at this chart, all right? I would wait for a pullback with this, because first of all, the chart is going absolutely parabolic. But outside of that, the market cap is quite high already as well, $340 million. But the thing is that the ultimate mix for me is when a project is backed by some major players in the crypto industries, which Freysa is. I'm not sure who name called the project again, but it's followed by some major accounts. Such as High Stakes Capital and Not Easy and Awawat. So that is one of the key reasons why I think it's interesting, and it's also like there are some interesting pieces being written by this AI agent, and you also have some historical acts where in general, I'll leave a link down in the description to this. It's an interesting idea, interesting concept, and that combination with the backing it has, I think makes it worth to DCA into. But this is a little bit of a trickier one, because like I said, I personally would wait for a pullback. I would prefer a bigger pullback actually, but who knows if that's actually going to happen, and it's difficult to still buy when you actually get a deep pullback like that. But overall, Seems like this is going higher, and this is, for example, like it has a $336 million market cap. I think this can still get into $1 billion market cap. So market caps are also a bit of a scam, of course. And last but not least, it is Farm. Now, there's different reasons why I wanted to include this as well. In general, what it is it's a fully on-chain and autonomous AI creatures living in the farm. So basically living in this world, kind of based on Stardew Valley, but also Pixelmon, etc. Interesting concept. But one of the big reasons why I wanted to include this is because this AI agent is built on Hyperliquid, the token at least. And Hyperliquid has dropped down quite a bit in the last 2 weeks, but I still think in 2025 it's going to do amazing. And Farm, the chart also looks quite good as well. I mean, this chart, like it has, this one actually has the lowest market cap out of all the projects we've talked about, even though it is a quite prominent coin on Hyperliquid. So that market cap and then being an AI agent on Hyperliquid, one of the biggest ones actually, not the biggest one I think Vapor is bigger. But that makes it, in my eyes, that makes it quite a good coin, or at least it makes it a coin with quite a lot of potential. Then outside of that, I like the idea as well. I mean, here you can see they're still developing a lot of things. Like you can also at some point of time actually battle with the characters, with the creatures that you have on the farm. And the developers in general behind this actually do seem to be building an interesting project and also a unique product. So that combination, I think, also with the charts, so 3 things that make it interesting, and those are also the things why I think you need to keep this on your watch list as well. But those are my thoughts. Those are the 3 projects: Farm, Freysa.ai, and Spore. I'll leave links down in the description to their charts probably. So if you do have any questions about them to me, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Let me resize my camera so you can see me. Thank you for watching, and bye.